going to sing now. We're going to sing a tune everyone here remembers. Watch. On the downbeat. God damn, there's a guy with a head kind of clear and one back there in the middle, no hair. You see him, sir? You with the beard. Look back there and see your clone. And if y'all sitting close together and y'all lean y'all head in real close, look like somebody's ass. Hey, look. You didn't get angry, did you? Don't get angry, no. And you know black people carry knives. No, I ain't shitting you. It was in the paper. 2 weeks ago, I bought a knife. It was in the paper. It said, all black people carry knives. I said, shit, let me hurry up and get me one. I didn't know that. I've been carrying an ice pick 32 years. We're going to sing, roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merry, merry, life's but a dream. Everyone, please help on the downbeat. Row, row, row your boat. Merrily, merrily, merrily. All the good-looking people. Oh, fuck it, shut up. You know, goddamn well, some of y'all shouldn't have been singing. I was with old chick in Las Vegas a couple weeks ago. Asked me for $100. $100 to fuck. She said, $100? Shit, I thought she wanted to sell her car. I wish I had something on me cost me $100. I cut it off and barbecue it. Shit, $100. I don't live with nobody. I just want to drop in for a few minutes. And some of them $100 chicks, you can drop right in. $100. My ex-wife, I pay my ex-wife. I got 3 or 4, I don't remember. I pay $5,000 a month alimony. For 10 years I got to pay that. That means I got to never stop working. Even when I'm in the hospital, I got to work. $5,000 a month for 10 years. $600,000. Sir, have you ever seen $600,000 worth of pussy yet? Here's a white guy ain't seen that much pussy. How the judge figure I haven't seen that much pussy? God damn. You need a Mack truck to haul that much pussy off. Thing just... Hi, honey. She's pretty. That's your wife? Good. No, marriage is wonderful. Divorce is not too bad, but that alimony fucks you. There's a big fella there. How much you weigh, pal? How much you weigh there? About 230? Don't lie, a little bit more up. Huh? 250, 240, 240 pounds. I'd hate to be around when you farted. Can you imagine a 240-pound fart coming at you? You better have on a wetsuit. Say, if any of you guys go diving down into the ocean or the lake or wherever you go, rivers, you guys, you ever fart in a wetsuit? Bubbles come right out the neck. Sharks be swimming away from you. God damn. The Lord fucked up quite a few times, but a lot of people don't do it. But me not being an evangelist, I can say so. Lord certainly fucked up when he created woman. I expected that. Yeah. Well, I'll prove my points. Lord did fuck up when he created woman. For years, people thought the Lord was Polish. Who else would build a snack bar next to a shit house?